I'm excited to welcome you to Sky, a brand new development of 8 contemporary townhouses designed by the award-winning and renowned architect Jutta Hoehn. I'm Sam from Mapro Knight Frank. Let me show you around. Situated in Santa Barbara, these newly built south-facing 4-bedroom townhouses are divided into 4 levels, offering luxurious living spaces and enjoy stunning ocean views. The orientation allows residents to take on full advantage of the natural light. My favorite feature is this stunning ocean backdrop you can see on all levels. Some features include a lift running through all floors, private courtyards, a Siemens-equipped kitchen and laundry room, a communal garage with assigned parking and plenty of storage. Santa Barbara is a quaint residential village situated 15 minutes from Faro and Lule, making this the perfect countryside home while still being within easy reach of local amenities. For more information on Sky Development, please see reference 3778 on our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.